Hey everyone, welcome back to CloudDemoDive. So if you followed my channel earlier, you know we covered the full AWS Cloud Quest Cloud Practitioner playlist step by step. A lot of you loved that hands-on approach to learning AWS in an interactive 3D game environment. So AWS just dropped a massive announcement that is nothing but AWS Cloud Quest version 2.0, which is launching on 11th of August this month. So in this video, we are going through official release page together, breaking down all the brand new features, watching the new trailer and talking about what next, because now AWS is releasing quests for different roles. So in those two quests are totally free, that is the Cloud Practitioner and the Generative AI Practitioner quest. So earlier we covered the Cloud Practitioner during version 1. So now we are starting complete playlist for the Generative AI Practitioner on this channel. Okay, so let's take a look on to the page which they provided us, in which they mentioned this version 2.0 is launching on 11th of August. You can see the countdown is running. And they also put a trailer. Let's see, have a look what it is. So you can see a trailer, you can watch. So you can see it's free to start. 9 role-based path is available, out of which 2 are free to attend. And for others it needs a subscription on AWS Skill Builder, and you can just click on the remind me so that you will get a notification regarding the launch. So you can see different things they put behind it. Start with the right question first. It has the different AI powered virtual customers, then create the solutions, and then the environment building for that part. So this is all about the new version. So we already have completed the Cloud Practitioner in version 1. So here is our game plan for CloudDemoDive. So starting next week, we are launching step-by-step hands-on playlist covering all the assignments which are inside the Cloud Quest Generative AI Practitioner path, and we will build everything, solution, review the architecture and earn the badge together. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss episode 1, and drop a comment below if you are ready to dive into the Gen AI. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.